What's going on, people? Mask fragrances here, bruh. Hey, and look, today, hey, I gotta put y'all boys on. I gotta put y'all. Hey, I gotta put y'all. This right here. Oh my god. Nah, this right here. Listen, when I tell you, this shit is magic. Listen, this is magic. I'm gonna be honest, like I don't even want to make this video right now because this fragrance right here, God. Like, hold on, let me just spray a little bit. Oh, nah, this shit right here. Hey, all right. For those of you who don't know, oh my God, in the air. Oh my, I'm telling you, man, this is a compliment magnet. Like K-On Classic. Hey, I'm trying to see. I'm trying to show you guys. Hold on. K-On Classic. Hey, this is supposed to be a clone of Dior Homo Intense. All right, Dior, the 2011 one. This is supposed to be a clone of that. And honestly, this is just beautiful. Like when I tell you, when I first sprayed this, my sister, who rarely she rarely compliments my colognes. She gave me a compliment. She came up next to me and she's like, "Oh my god, you smell good." And I'm not gonna lie, that shit had me feeling like I'm the man. That shit had me feeling like I'm the man. Like this fragrance right here, honestly speaking, this shit is it's really really good. It's so it's so powdery. It's creamy. It has how you could smell like there's the undertone of vanilla. It's not honestly, it's really good. And for the price I paid too, we all know Dior Homo Intense. We all know it's been reformulated. We all know it's been reformulated. It's not the same anymore. It's not the same anymore. Like on it, this thing right here, it lasts way longer than Dior. Way longer. Now it's not beast mode. Now this is not beast mode. Don't get it twisted. It's not beast mode. I think I think with 10 sprays, I get like 7 hours, 7 8 hours. But that's including clothes and skin. I get like 7 8 hours of like moderate to soft projection. Yeah, it's decent. Like if people come, but this is meant to be an intimate fragrance though. It's not. This is the type of fragrance you spray on when you're about to go and meet a bitch. Like when you're about to go over to a bad bitch's house. This is the type of fragrance you use. I'm telling you, this is the type of fragrance you use. Not too many sprays though. Not too many sprays though. Don't do 10 sprays like I did. Do about like 5 to 7 sprays. 5 to 7 sprays max. That's all you need. 5 to 7 sprays max. That's it. Don't spray on your neck though. Don't spray on your neck though. Spray on your chest. So when she lies on your chest, whoo, don't spray your neck, bro. Just in case she wants to give you a hickey or whatever, bro. Hey, whatever type of shit you guys are on, don't spray your neck, bro. Don't spray your neck. So when she comes to give you a hickey, bro, she can. Ooh, hey, that's for you to decide though. Whatever you guys got going on, that's for you to decide, man. Anyway, though, bro, listen, bro, get your hands on this fragrance, bro. It's beautiful. It's easy to wear. I wouldn't recommend. It's not a daily wear type of fragrance, though. It's not a daily wear type of fragrance, bro. This is only for like date nights and special occasions, man. That's it. But I mean, you do what you want, though. You do what you want. You could wear this to the office, sure, but like, I wouldn't really wear it for that. I would only wear it when I know, like, if I'm gonna be around some bad bitches, that's when I wear this type of fragrance, bro. K-On Classic, man. K-On Classic, man. Hey, get your hands on this shit, man. It's a compliment magnet, man. It's a compliment magnet, bro. Like, listen, bro. Compliment magnet, bro. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. My sister, hey, my sister wasn't even the only compliment. I forgot to tell you guys. Hold on. My sister wasn't even the only compliment, bro. When I wore this shit and I went to school, bro, when I hugged one of my female friends, she also gave me a compliment, man. She's like, "Oh, you smell really good today." Telling you, it just works, bro. This shit just works, bro. Like most women are gonna love this shit. I'm telling you, most women, bro. Amazing, man. Hey, get your hands on this. Once again, bro. K-On Classic, bro. I'm gonna leave. Hey, I'm gonna write the name in the description, bro. I know it's kind of hard to see, bro, But like, hey, I'm a leave in the description, bro. Get your hands on this. I'm telling you, bro. This shit is heat.